Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm just going to get right into this one. All right, I've heard some news a few days ago about a bank called Santander Consumer USA. And what they've been doing is that they have been targeting buyers who are more likely to default for risky loans. Yeah, I'm looking at an article right here, right now. Okay, so you know I'm not just making this up. All right. But yeah, Santander Consumer USA is a predatory lending company, and they just target people who they know can't pay back these loans. But 34 state attorneys general called them out, and they reached a settlement with Santander Consumer to the tune of $550 million in relief nationwide. Okay? And it's going to be dispersed throughout its customers like this. One way is that they've agreed to pay $65 million in restitution to subprime consumers. Okay, the people who don't have adequate credit scores. You know, basically the scores, the credit just bad, and they've given loans out regardless. I mean, these consumers wouldn't have been approved to qualify for a loan anywhere else, but Santander gave it to them anyway because they're predatory lenders. Okay, but these people who don't have good credit, who they defaulted on loans between January 1st, 2010 and December 31st of 2019. Okay, that's just about 10 years. They're going to get $65 million restitution. They are going to receive a check in the mail for their suffering. Okay? They'll receive a check in the mail for their troubles. Just for dealing with this bank. Okay? And there's more. Okay, there's more. According to this settlement, in addition to the restitution they have to pay out, the consumers across the U.S. who defaulted on their loans but have not yet to have their cars repossessed as of December 31st, 2019, will be given the titles to their vehicles and have the balances left that they owe on the loans forgiven. Up to $45 million. So think about that. So they've had loans with Santander, but they haven't had their cars repossessed just as of yet, as of December 31st. Now, their loans are going to be wiped clean. It's going to be forgiven. Plus, they're going to get the titles to their vehicles. So now they got a free and clear car paid off. No payment, no car payment. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay? So, that's beautiful. Anybody out there listening to this right now who's done business with Santander, who has a car with Santander, and they're in this position, they're looking pretty good right now. And wait, there's more. People who've actually had their cars repossessed. Okay, I just read a little while ago about the people who haven't had their cars repossessed yet. Now I'm reading about the people who have had their cars repossessed will also get balance forgiveness of up to $433 million, excuse me. So if they had their cars repossessed, they will get their balance totally forgiven. So imagine having a repossession on your credit report. You know how much that repossession knocked down your credit score. Now all of a sudden, they're just wiping it clean. It's gone. back to zero. You don't owe any more money. Okay? The repossession will get balance forgiveness. Wow. So look at this. Okay, they're paying restitution. Where is that? They're paying up to $65 million in restitution. Okay. They're giving up titles on cars to people who have defaulted on loans but haven't had their cars repossessed yet. And the people who have had their cars repossessed are getting their balance forgiven. Wiped clean. Everybody's getting hooked up because of their predatory practices. Okay? Wow. So like I said before, anybody out here listening to this right now who has done business with Santander and or has a car by Santander right now who falls under these guidelines, hey, more power to you. Okay? You're going to get what you deserve. That's great. Good for you. All right? Matter of fact, if that is you, leave a comment under this video. Let me know how you feel about this news. Let me know how you feel about getting a restitution check coming to you. Let me know if you have your title, if you're getting that title in the mail. Let me know how you feel about getting the balance that you owe. Let me know how you feel about getting it forgiven right now. I mean, it's got to feel good. Okay. If you got that repossession on your credit report and it's now, all that money you guys going back down to zero and it's getting wiped clean like it never happened, let me know how you feel about that right now. Leave a comment below. Give me a like. Subscribe to this channel, please. And it's 1:55 a.m. on my side of the country. So I'm about to go to sleep soon. So until next video, be safe out there. See you later.